Hello, welcome to the demonstration of LoadRunner training program. With over 14 years of expertise in software testing, we now bring to you our experience across domains, verticals, and geographies packed in 30 hours. The objective of this program is to ensure you get adequate exposure to LoadRunner tool. Over the duration of the training, you will be provided with sufficient practical sessions to help you get hands-on with LoadRunner, post which there will be an online evaluation and mock interviews. When it comes to understanding and improving a website system, whether it is a personal project, a business venture, or otherwise, it's vital a web application is tested for its responsiveness in terms of its stability. This makes a high demand for performance test engineers. Let's get an overall idea of the training coverage. We shall begin with an introduction to performance testing, types of performance testing, and why to use performance testing tool. LoadRunner is a testing tool developed by HP, which is used for examining the behavior and performance of the system while generating the actual load. LoadRunner can simulate hundreds or thousands of concurrent users to put in an application, and the results can be analyzed. LoadRunner consists of 4 components, and they are virtual user generator, controller, load generator, and analysis. These components will be explained in detail during the training program. In ViewGen, we would start off with record and replay, introduction to script view. Then we move on to available runtime settings, and we would also discuss other concepts like actions, parameterization, and correlation. Next, in controller, we shall discuss about scheduling the scenarios using various options, generating the load, creation and execution of the scenarios, and defining service level agreements. As LoadRunner is capable of generating different kinds of graphs, we will end up with analyzing all the graphs for the created scenarios, which helps in identifying the bottlenecks of the system. If you wish to embark on a software testing journey, please register for the training and we will ensure you are adequately prepared. Thank you.